Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Gary here from Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason that we promote the $25 business in particular is because it's affiliate system, which is fantastic. 80% recurring income. You get 80%. That's insane, and you get paid every single month. Sign me up. So if you guys interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so the first and foremost thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna look and see we got a sale here. It doesn't look like we got a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page to make sure we know for sure, because like I always say, I want to show you guys real results. Right, just gonna refresh. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. It's totally fine, not a big deal. All right, so the first thing we want to do is get you your affiliate link. This is the one that I use in particular because it promotes all of the products in the system. All pay 80%, by the way. It promotes all the products, so I like using this product here. First thing you need to do is go to my description. You're gonna see incomespeech.com, or you can type it in either way. That's my link that I use, incomespeech.com. I recommend you get a link like that as well to make it look nicer and everything, so you can set it up. You don't have to. You can just start with this affiliate link here. So the first thing you do, you click on it. You're gonna take you to this page here. What this page here is gonna do is talk about what the $25 business is and how much money you can make promoting the $25 business. That's 20 and 100 monthly commissions. That's $120 per customer, guys. You can make up to $120 per customer. Two programs, one is 20, one is 100. All right. So yeah, you can do that. And what the $25 business is, if you are interested, long story short, it's a funnel builder. It's a really good funnel builder. You can set it up easy. It's a ton of people. You can, copy their funnels if you wish, and just put your links in them. There's a ton of them up there already built up really nice for you, so you don't really need to build them, and you can make as many as you want. All right guys, you can make pages and stuff for $25 a month. It's a fantastic deal. You ever built funnels, you split funnels or whatever, fantastic deal. So anyway guys, you read through this. They also give to charity as well if you're interested in that. So yeah, once you decide you want to try this out, you just click on one of these green buttons, say yes I want in. It's going to take you to a page where you put in your basic information right here, blah blah blah, right, and sign in. Now here's a bonus though. There's a bonus if you use my link, guys. If you use my link, you can get HBA Premium for free for 14 days. Now what HBA Premium is, it's training on how to get conversions, basically podcasts showing you how to make a YouTube channel or TikTok, whatever it may be, right? It's constantly updated because if you know, TikTok and stuff changes over time. It was way easier to blow up on TikTok than it is now, like a year ago, and so you have to use different methods to blow up and do stuff and set up ads and so on, because new rules get introduced and stuff. So anyway, it's constantly updated. Also, there's a AI content creation machine that's based on trying to sell this product. So when you ask it to make you a blog, blah blah blah, it's gonna focus on trying to make a blog that sell this product. You know what I mean? You use AI to promote you a product. But anyway, guys, like, you follow that and you get that product there. The coolest part about this though is that if you manage to get a sale while you have this 14-day free test drive, you will get that $100 on that sale. You'll get that $100 on that sale, even though you don't technically own the product, guys. So yeah, check that out. Make sure to complete order, get instant access, and blah blah blah. All right guys, that's really cool. So now that we got our link, sign in. You know how to sign in. It's steps on how to do this, videos, everything. So very easy to do. You get to your links. Once you get your links, guys, you need a way to promote your links. Now once you promote your links, there's a link in the description there. They're gonna take you to My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, what My Lead Gen Secrets is a program that lets you mail people. You get 100 leads per day, and you can mail them once per day. The best way to say it. Now, these people are all interested in making money online, but these are very cold leads. Remember that they're very cold. They have no idea who you are. They're very cold leads. All right, guys. Make sure to understand that they're very cold leads. So, what you gotta understand is they're not gonna sell right away to you. It could happen. It's happened to me, but they're not gonna sell right away to you. Now, if you copy what I just did there, log in, make your account, go to mailing system. Now, you select all your leads. You're gonna only have 100 leads, which is totally fine. Don't worry about that. I have 10 accounts. This is my worst performing one. That's why I decided to use it for a YouTube channel to test stuff out. So, all my other links are promoting something else. And this is my worst performing one. But one cool thing is if I noticed that some of my don't worry about this number here at all. It is no consequence or whatever. It don't dictate if you're gonna get a sale or not. It honestly doesn't. My other channels, some of my smaller accounts get way more sales than this account. All right, for example. And like I've gotten a sale with only 100 leads before on one of my accounts. So don't even worry about that. So what we're gonna do, guys, is load in here. We gotta get our email here. So now we want to ask ChatGPT to make us an email very similar to this one. All right, guys. So all we need to do is go to ChatGPT, click on it right here. I think this is the right one. I asked it a lot of stuff, but you come here, just get in. Can you create another email similar to the last one? Basically, I just ask it to create a new email here. Boom. And I just go. Just say something like, okay, $4,000 in just 90 days. Put 8750 in. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. Remove the emoji. You don't want emojis. You can't use the emojis in the system. Just type in like remove the emoji if your email has been added, they put emojis in it. Better to just remove that completely. So this is what we're gonna do. We're not gonna pick 4,000. That's not scaling up good at this point. At 90 days. You know what I'm gonna pick? I'm gonna pick 10. In 90 days, that's 3 months. $10,000 in 3 months is pretty fantastic. It's nothing crazy. It's not gonna change your life, but it's pretty fantastic. So that's what we're gonna use there, and it's believable. $10,000 in 90 days that's the most important part. So it sounds like it's possible to get to, and I think that sells a lot more than like phrasing on how you like to make $1 million in a day or something like that. People. I'm not saying that those are impossible. $1 million in a day, it can happen, but I wouldn't trust a program that says they can do that for you. But $10,000 in 90 days, that's a lot more believable. I believe that. So that's all you gotta do. You gotta write something kind of extravagant but kind of believable at the same time. I think that works the best. So we're just gonna post this in here. Post this email. That, right? And first thing we do, we get our link, and we put our link in. Boom, bold. Put our link in. All right. So we delete these. Done. All right. So one thing I want to do is textualize and bold it. I want to textualize on the line. Right here, I like this. Hit this. I textualize it. And we want to bold all the big words here. Bold. that. Oh, we're gonna bold this. Bold this. This is a very important. Bold it. Pretty good. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty readable. Interesting. Changes up a little bit. Don't look like it was written ChatGPT badly. Doesn't really matter. So we're gonna go to perfect timing. That's gonna hit that there. Make sure that click perfect timing because they'll send an email around time people check email. That means that, like, say you open your email at 8 o'clock in the morning every day, it's gonna send an email around 7:50, so it end up on top of the list. Stuff like that. And make sure to preview your link here, guys. Make sure to preview and make sure your link works. That's the reason why you want to. Our link does work, and we're gonna send an email. That's all there is to it. We're done. So, all right, guys. So once you get enough emails in the system, all you gotta really do is come here and do this. Pick an email, send it, and make sure you do it every day. 30 seconds a day, all it takes when you get a bunch of emails in the system. All right, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Peace.